starting with the worksheet now. The first question is, you have to find common nouns, proper nouns and collective nouns from the box. Right? As you can see here, आपको नीचे options given है, नीचे hints given है in the form of fill in the blanks, right? And the box is also given to you. और देखिए जहां जहां पे gray है, the box which is in gray color, that is the beginning of the word. Okay? For example, if I say, so let's start with the first one. We'll do it one by one. You'll automatically understand that. Divyanshi has also joined. Divyanshi, you never wish me, beta. चुपचाप आकर आप क्लास में बैठ जाते हो. I do not like this at all. Good morning, Divyanshi. Okay. So we are starting now. As usual, I'm giving you numbers, right? Aditya, you will tell me the first one. He spilled the dash on his dash.
I have to do the worksheet.
Pransh Kakani, please mute your mic, Pransh. Okay, let's start. Aditya, बेटा कितनी बार आवाज दूंगी? Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, how many times should I call you? Again and again I keep calling you. Tell me the answer of first one. देखिए जो वर्ड्स ग्रे में है ना, जो बॉक्सेस ग्रे में है वहां से वर्ड स्टार्ट हो रहा है. ठीक है? हाँ. He spilled the dash on his dash. Aditya, please answer बेटा, इतना टाइम मत लो. All the students are waiting for their turn. Please speak up. And if you do not know, tell me that, ma'am, I do not know the answer.
Ma'am, I do not the answer.
Ashutosh, please look at the words, look at the box, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the word? Can you see the gray boxes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, please take help of the gray boxes to make words. आशुतोष, मुझे बताइए फर्स्ट लाइन में जो ए है, ए से क्या वर्ड बन रहा है बेटा? आर्ट. आपको दिख रहा है? ART, आर्ट. राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashutosh, at least answer me beta, yes or no? Can you see art?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, in the same line, there is an alphabet B. Right? Can you see the B in grey color box? B से क्या बन रहा है बेटा? Top to bottom बन रहा है bouquet. Bouquet means a group of flowers. Right? Come to the second line. Second line में देखिए S highlight किया है. तो S से हमारा क्या बन रहा है? Left to right, it's shirt. SHIRT, shirt. Right? Okay, come to the next alphabet. It's D. D देखो highlight हुआ है. तो D से क्या बन रहा है? Deer. DEER, deer. Right? Right. Now come to the next line. Which alphabet is highlighted? F highlight हुआ है. तो F से क्या बन रहा है बेटा? Fleet. FLEET. ठीक है? Fleet is the group of ships. Okay? Okay. Now come to the next alphabet. Next देखिए क्या है? K है. K से क्या word बन रहा है? Ketchup बन रहा है. Can you see from left to right? It's ketchup.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And in the next line, what is written there? N से. N से क्या बन रहा है? New Delhi. No, it's not noodle. It's New Delhi. Okay? अच्छा, now tell me. He spilled the dash on his dash. हमने सारे words ढूंढ लिए. अब आप मुझे बताइए blank में क्या आएगा?
Spill.
Spill मतलब गिराना. Spill.
Yes, ma'am.
Spill मतलब गिराना.
Tirana.
हाँ बेटा. स्पिल मतलब होता है गिराना, तो उसने क्या गिराया?
Shirt.
हाँ, शर्ट गिराया ना?
Shirt.
नहीं बेटा,
Art.
शर्ट विल कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट ब्लैंक.
Bouquet. Art. Bouquet.
Bhavya, is this your turn, Bhavya? Is it your turn? Are you allowed to speak in between, Bhavya? Yes, Ashutosh.
Ma'am, bouquet. Ma'am, art.
बेटा आर्ट को गिराएगा कैसे आशुतोष? आर्ट कैसे गिराते हैं हम, बताइए. भव्या, व्हाट कैन यू स्पिल? भव्या, क्या गिरा सकते हैं बेटा?
Bouquet.
बुके गिरा सकते हैं. शर्ट पे बुके गिराओगे आप? नो, रॉन्ग. चैतन्य?
Ma'am, can I say?
नो, चैतन्य's turn. चैतन्य?
Ma'am, ma'am, bouquet.
Chaitanya, I already said book is the wrong answer. It means you are not listening to me.
Ma'am,
If the next time anyone turns on the mic without my permission, and you will be out of the group. Make it very clear. I cannot repeat the same thing again and again. Please listen to me at once. Chaitanya, do you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Daksh Arora, do you know the answer, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Daksh.
He spilled the ketchup on his shirt.
Right. Very good. He spilled the ketchup on his shirt. बेटा बुके कैसे गिराओगे शर्ट के ऊपर? The correct answer is ketchup. Very good, Daksh. He spilled the ketchup on his shirt. Divyanshi Chauhan?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, tell me the answer of second one. The offspring of a dash is called a fawn.
Ma'am.
Offspring means
Ma'am.
baby.
Barbecue.
Ma'am.
Bouquet? No, bouquet is wrong. Bouquet का
Can I?
दिव्यांशी
Ma'am.
कैसे होगा बेटा?
Deer.
Yes, Lakshmi. Yes, the correct answer is deer. D-E-E-R, deer. The correct answer is deer. Okay, number 3. Pragya, number 3. Dash is the capital of India. Pragya?
Ma'am. New Delhi.
Yes, Pragya, correct answer. New Delhi is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, Pransh Kakani?
Yes, ma'am.
The captain arrived with his dash of ships. मैंने अभी आपको बताया बेटा, शिप्स के ग्रुप को क्या बोलते हैं? अभी मैंने आपको ऑप्शन में बताया.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, fleet.
Lakshya, I am removing you from the call because you have broken the rule. Okay? Cinderella, can you answer me, beta?
Ma'am, मैं बताऊं.
Ma'am, I say.
Beta, let your turn come. Yes, Cinderella.
Ma'am, fleet.
Fleet.
F-L-E-E-T.
Yes, the correct answer is F-L-E-E-T. Fleet. Correct. Tanvishri, आप मुझे फिफ्थ का बताओ. Dash was the king of ancient Britain.
Bouquet.
बेटा बुके इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ फ्लावर्स. कभी ग्रुप ऑफ फ्लावर्स किंग कैसे हो सकता है तन्वीश्री? देखो तन्वीश्री, लुक एट द बॉक्स बेटा. बॉक्स में आपको दिख रहा है फर्स्ट लाइन में ए अल्फाबेट लिखा हुआ है.
Yes, ma'am.
देखो ए से ना आप टॉप टू बॉटम जाओ तो आपको ना एक नेम बनता हुआ दिखेगा. बनाओ, क्या नेम बन रहा है? ए आर A-R-T-H-U-R. आर्थर. आर्थर इज द नेम ऑफ अ किंग. ठीक है, तो एंशिएंट ब्रिटेन का कौन किंग था? आर्थर. A-R-T-H-U-R, आर्थर. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
ओके. This exercise, this question was so easy और class 4 ने इतना time लगा दिया in one question. चलो कोई बात नहीं. आदित्य, we are talking about noun number now, singulars and plurals. Okay, 2 options are given to you. You have to choose one option, Aditya. Let's start with the first question. The 2 dash at the ball looked beautiful. Please tell me the answer, Aditya. Aditya number 1, Ashutosh 2, Bhavya 3, Chaitanya 4 and Daksh 5. Acha, Daksh, you will tell me the 5th first part and Divyanshi will tell me 5th second part. Okay? Yes, Aditya number 1, please.
Ma'am, WOMEN.
WOMEN. Yes, this is correct answer because WOMAN तो होता है singular के लिए और WOMEN होता है plural. Very good. The correct answer is the second part. WOMEN, women. Okay. Yes, Ashutosh number 2, please. Ashutosh number 2.
Shepherd, the shepherd
Shepherd,
count
beta.
my grandpa has 3 pair of sheep.
Ashutosh, where are you, Ashutosh? Where are you, beta? We are on the
Sir.
second question. Lakshya, with whose permission did you join the class? Lakshya Sethia, with whose permission have you joined? Yes, Ashutosh. Please tell me the second one. The shepherd
Sir.
counted his dash. दो ऑप्शन है बेटा, या तो sheep या sheeps.
Sheep.
No बेटा, the plural of sheep is sheep. Sheep का plural भी क्या रहता है? Sheep ही रहता है. Okay? Okay, Bhavya, please tell me the third one.
Yes, ma'am. The grandpa has 3 pair of specs.
Specs तो कहीं लिखा हुआ ही नहीं है भव्या. Spectacles है और spectacle है.
Spectacles.
Spectacles. Very good. We have learned that some things are always in plural. कुछ चीजें बेटा हमेशा plural में होती है, जैसे jeans. ठीक है, आप कभी जीन्स एक पैर में नहीं पहनते हो, 2 में पहनते हो, राइट? इयररिंग्स, है ना? सिजर्स एंड इन द सेम वे स्पेक्टिकल्स. ओके, स्पेक्टिकल्स भी हमेशा पेयर में रहेंगे. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज स्पेक्टिकल्स. ओके, चैतन्य नंबर 4 प्लीज.
Ma'am,
यस भव्या.
ma'am, what is the meaning of spectacle?
चश्मा, चश्मा, स्पेक्स. तनिश्री जो पहनती है ना क्लास में, दोज आर कॉल्ड स्पेक्टिकल्स.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Chaitanya, please number 4.
Ma'am, scissors. Ma'am, tailors use scissors to cut the
Very good.
clothes.
Scissors. Correct answer, beta. Scissors. Correct. Okay, Daksh. 5th first part.
Yes, ma'am. The thief.
The
Ma'am,
thief.
thief.
The thief broke into their houses and took away their Divyanshi. Divyanshi. Divyanshi Chauhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you there,
Ma'am,
Divyanshi?
furniture. Yes, furniture is the answer. Furniture.
Furniture, S वाला या without S वाला? Divyanshi, with S or without S?
Ma'am, the answer is furniture. Ma'am,
Furniture?
the answer is furniture.
No, Divyanshi, the correct answer is furniture. We are talking about the plural form. ठीक है, plural form will be furniture. Okay? Okay, Lakshya has joined again. Fine. Lakshya, question number 3, first part. Lakshya, sit here. You have to underline the noun and tell me whether they are of masculine, feminine, common or neuter gender. Okay, Lakshya, tell tell me the nouns in the first sentence, Lakshya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the teacher taught the student in an interesting way. Teacher is common gender and student is also common gender.
Very good. There is one more thing left. Way, tarika, W-A-Y. Way is also a noun and it is neuter. Okay? Teacher is common, students common and way is neuter. Okay. Pragya Agarwal, number 2, please. Pragya.
Okay. Ma'am, and Dan and Evie live in the Garden of Eden. Ma'am, Dan
Ma'am,
is
I not
not
see your
masculine.
screen.
Ma'am, I not see your
Ashutosh. Ashutosh, 1 minute. Pragya,
Not
it's
see
not
your
Evie,
screen.
beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Pragya,
Dan and
it's Eve. Eve.
okay, ma'am.
Right.
Adam and Eve lived in the Garden of Eden. Adam,
Right. Now,
Eve and Eden.
Adam, Eve and Eden. ठीक है. Now tell me their gender. Adam किस gender का है बेटा?
Ma'am, ma'am, masculine.
Masculine. Very good. And what is Eve?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Eve?
Eve is name of a girl, beta. So Eve will be of feminine gender. Okay.
Okay,
Pragya,
ma'am.
you have missed garden. Garden is also a noun, beta. It is a place, right? So garden will be of which gender?
Am I not able to see your
Neuter. Ashutosh, I am continuously sharing the screen, beta. You please change your place. There might be some connectivity issue from your side. Ashutosh. And Pragya, Eden is still left. E-D-E-N. Eden. Eden is also
Ma'am, that
masculine.
is masculine.
Masculine, right. Adam and Eden both are of masculine gender. Eve is feminine and garden is neuter. Okay, Pransh Kakani, number 3, please.
Yes, ma'am. The guests come late for the party.
Pransh, read the sentence again. You have wrongly pronounced the word.
The guests come late for the
It's
party.
not come. It's not come, Pransh. You are reading it wrong again.
Ma'am. The guests
Now tell me the nouns. बेटा एक एक करके noun बताइए.
Ma'am, guest.
Which gender?
Ma'am, common gender.
Very good. Guest is common gender.
Ma'am, party is
Good.
party. Neuter gender.
Very good. Yes. Guest and party. Guest is common and party is neuter. Very good. Cinderella number 4 and Tanvishri number 5. Cinderella बताइए बेटा एक एक करके नाउन बताइए उनका जेंडर बताइए.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The refrigerator.
Refrigerator बेटा you are in class 4 now. Reading habit डालिए Cinderella. Start reading बेटा.
The refrigerator needs to be defrosted.
Defrosted लिखा है. What is written there? Defrosted. Defrosted मतलब when there is a lot of ice in the refrigerator. ठीक है, आप उसको defrost करके क्या करते हो? आइस को मेल्ट कर देते हो. ठीक है, पुराने जमाने में ऐसे रेफ्रिजरेटर आते थे बेटा जिनमें पूरा आइस जम जाता था. That is called. तो हम पिघालते थे उसको defrost कहते थे. Yes. Now tell me the nouns.
Ma'am, refrigerator is neuter gender.
Very good. Only one is there, that is refrigerator and neuter. Very good,
Yes, ma'am.
Chandela. Tanvishri, number 5, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ये क्या है?
Peter Steve. Steve kept a golden fish as a pet. बोलो तन्विश्री. Steve kept a golden fish as a pet.
कैप तो
नहीं बेटा, kept नाउन नहीं है. हमने नाउन क्या पढ़ा है? नाउन इज नेम ऑफ पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल, थिंग. ओके,
फिश तो नाउन है.
वेरी गुड. फिश नाउन है. कौन सा नाउन है बेटा? मैस्कुलाइन है, फेमिनाइन है, कॉमन है या न्यूटर है?
कॉमन नाउन.
नो बेटा. हाँ, फिश कैन बी कॉमन. सॉरी, यस, फिश इज कॉमन क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता वो मेल है या फीमेल है. वेरी गुड. फिश कॉमन है. और बताइए, 2 और हैं बेटा. एक है स्टीव, एक है पेट. ठीक है. स्टीव क्या होगा? स्टीव इज नेम ऑफ व्हाट? स्टीव इज नेम ऑफ हुम? बॉय है, गर्ल है, कॉमन है या न्यूटर है?
न्यूटन.
जी बेटा, न्यूटर मतलब तो नॉन लिविंग थिंग. तन्विश्री,
गर्ल है.
नो बेटा, इट्स अ बॉय. स्टीव इज नेम ऑफ अ बॉय. बॉय है तो क्या होगा? मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर. ठीक है. फिश आपने मुझे बता ही दिया. नाउ टेल मी अबाउट पेट. पेट का क्या जेंडर होगा?
पेट का
आदित्य, कैन यू टेल मी पेट का क्या जेंडर होगा? आदित्य, hurry up beta, the class is already over. Aditya,
Yes, ma'am. Pets का होगा
Ashutosh, what is the gender of pet? Beta, I am asking you something. The gender of pet.
Yes, ma'am.
पेट कॉमन होगा आई थिंक. लिख दे कॉमन.
Yes, ma'am.
The gender of pet is common because we do not know whether it's a boy or a girl. So the gender of pet is common. Okay. Class 4, I want to take a test of these chapters on Tuesday. I will send the notification in your class group also. Please be ready with the test on Tuesday. I'm ending the call now. Have a nice day, everyone. Monday, I told you, it's Saturday. I think you will have holiday. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.